Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlink your Faceit account from Steam, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, of course, pull up any browser that you like to use. I'll be using Google Chrome for this video, and there's no need for you to download or launch the Faceit program. You can definitely do it on the official Faceit website. Just go to Faceit and choose the first result that comes up on Google Chrome now. Now you have to make sure you are fully logged into your account. Once you're logged in, all you have to do is click on your user profile right here. Go to the account settings now. Once you're in the account settings, go to integrations. There are going to be social networks, game platforms, and other platforms you're connected to. So since we're talking about Steam right here, all you have to do is disconnect or unlink it if it's connected. There's going to be a disconnect button right here. The reason it's showing up here is because I haven't connected it to my Faceit account. So unlinking it will indirectly disconnect it. It'll be automatically unlinked from Steam, and that's it, you're done.